Meanwhile, there are renewed concerns this evening about the shortage of jurors in the country. But while the Ministry of Justice contemplates measures to deal with the issue, questions are being raised about the list being used to select persons for jury duty. The issue was discussed on TVJ's Smile Jamaica this morning. Janella Pursues reports.
For some time now, the Ministry of Justice has been at pains to garner interest in people to serve as jurors. Part of the effort included changing the law to widen the pool of persons to select from. The Jury Act was amended in 2015 to include registered taxpayers. However, fast forward to 2018, although there are more people to choose from, the situation remains the same.
Currently, we are not using that list. And the list that we now use to summon person for jury duty, I can say some of the lists are as old as 12 years old.
So the old list is still being used, and now there's a bill before Parliament to amend the Gun Court Act to have certain matters tried without a jury.
With the greatest of respect, I don't think that is the answer. I think the answer lies in utilizing the up-to-date list. That's the first thing. And secondly, to expand the persons that are eligible to serve as jurors. And thirdly, to also ensure that in this time when courthouses are being refurbished, that there is consideration given to the safety of jurors in terms of no commingling, if I may put it that way, between themselves and members of the public, accused persons, and so on and so forth.
According to Ms. Bailey, rural courts are most affected by the jury shortage. On Tuesday, High Court Judge Glenn Brown also raised concern about the low turnout of jurors for the start of the St. Elizabeth Circuit Court. Of the 114 persons served, only 25 turned up for duty. Ms. Bailey says the Ministry of Justice will be implementing a jury management system in collaboration with the Court Management Services for the Supreme Court.
In the meantime, I can just encourage persons who are summoned to show up for jury duty and to ensure that they participate in the administration of justice.
And we must remember also, if I may add quickly, that in terms of the numbers required to try certain matters, it has been reduced. It used to be 12, murder. It is now 7. And in terms of the challenges and so on, it is less.
Janella Pursues, TVJ News.